Crossroads Cruiser 355BL loaded for sale in Bumpass, Virginia 23024. Get ready to experience quality residential living right by the campsite with this 2014 Crossroads Cruiser 355BL loaded. This fifth-wheel RV is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is 36.11 feet in length and comes with a creative floor plan that has 4 slide-outs, 1 awning, and sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Crossroads Cruiser is exceptionally clean and comes with the convenience of self-leveling jacks and plenty of storage space inside and out. This 2014 Crossroads Cruiser 355BL loaded fifth wheel has everything you need to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This make and model RV, in excellent condition, does not come up for sale very often. It is equipped better than most comparable RVs in its class, has a spacious floor plan that is tough to beat and was built by a top-rated manufacturer using the latest aluminum and composite technologies. This RV is a very well-balanced unit and tows exceptionally well. Highlights include great cooking area with a 3-burner cooktop, stove and microwave oven upgraded brand, new Dometic refrigerator/freezer installed, $1,600 double kitchen sink table with 4 chairs, fireplace, television, surround sound, DVD/CD/StereoSofa, SleeperLarge bathroom with shower, sink and toilet, master queen size bed, full size master closet/dresser bunkhouse with 2 beds, completely serviced roof, front cabin, all moldings completely cleaned, windows were checked and completely sealed, and so much more. This 2014 Crossroads Cruiser 355BL loaded is exceptionally clean and ready to hit the road. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fifth wheel is priced to sell, so call today for more information on how you create lasting memories with loved ones and friends in this 2014 Crossroads Cruiser 355BL loaded fifth wheel.